Hello everyone, welcome to our video, and in today's video I am going to introduce our Assamese culture. We all know that Assam is the state in the northeastern part of our country. Assam is the meeting ground of diverse culture. The culture of Assam is a traditionally hybrid one, developed due to the cultural accumulation of different ethno-cultural groups under various political economical system in different periods of the history. The natives of the state is known as Ohomia or Assamese, which is also the state language, and in Assamese, Ohomia is pronounced as Ohomia. Assam has a large number of tribes like Borah, Kosari, Karbi, Misimi, Misi, Miri, Rava, etc. Each tribes have their own tradition, culture, dress, and exotic way of life. Though Assamese is the principal language of the state, the majority of Assamese people are Vaishnav who don't believe in ideal worshipping and perform Nam Kirtan, where the glory of Lord Vishnu recited. The two important cultural and religious institutions that influence the cultural fabric of Assam are Satras and Namghar. The Hatras are the site of religious and cultural practice which have been existent over 400 years, and the Namghar where the Assamese people associated for the devotional worship. Symbolism is one of the most important culture of Assam, and it is an ancient cultural practice in Assamese which is still very important for the people. Tamul Pan, Horai, Gamusa are the three important symbolic elements in Assamese culture. Tamul Pan are basically betel nuts and which are considered as the respect and friendship. It is an ancient tradition and being followed since immemorial. Horai is a traditional symbol of Assam. It is a article of great respect as being used as a vessel or container for performing the respectful offering. It is an offering tray with a stand in the bottom. Traditionally, sorais are made of bell metals, but although nowadays they can be made from brasses. Hazu and Hortevari are the most important centers of traditional bell metal and brasses curves, including horais. Gamusa is one of the most important article of great significance for the people of Assam. It have a wider body and it is a white rectangular piece of cloth with primarily red border in four of the side. Though it is used for daily to wipe the body after the bath as a act of purification, but it is used for many other purposes also. It is used by the farmers and the bihu dancers who wave around their head. It is hung around the neck at the prayer shawl and sewn over the shoulders to significant social status. Guests are welcomed by offering gamusa and tamulpang. It is used to cover the all prayer halls like namghar to cover the scriptures. An object of rivers are never placed on the bar ground but always on a gamusa. We can say that gamusa symbolizes the life and culture of Assam. Assam has maintained a rich culture of various traditional crafts for more than 2000 years. Presently, cane and bamboo craft, bell metals, brass craft, silk and cotton weaving, toy and mask making, terracotta work, woodcraft, jewelry making, musical instrument making are the remains as the major tradition. Cane and bamboo craft provides the most commonly used utility in daily life. The traditional utility are made of bell metals and brasses which are found in every Assamese household. Assam is the home of several types of silk, the most prominent and prestigious being muga. It is a natural golden silk. Apart from muga, There are other two varieties called Pat, which is this creamy black, creamy bright silver color silk, and Eri. It is a variety used for manufacturing warm clothes during winter. Swalkusi, which is also known as the Manchester of Assam, is the center of the traditional silk industries, where is in almost every part of the Brahmaputra Valley use silk and silk garments with excellent designs. Weaving is one of the most important and traditional work that every Assamese woman takes pride in. The Assamese women produce silk and cotton cloths of various designs in their own looms. The traditional clothes and fabric of Assamese people including Surya, Gamusa, Zapi, Mekhela Sador, Riha, Tongali, Seleng, etc. Assam is the home of many ethnic groups and different culture, and it is rich in folk music. There are several important instruments of Assamese are Bahi, Toka, Khul, Pepa, Dhul, Tal, Gogona, etc. Bihu is the most celebrated festival among all. There are three Bihus celebrated in Assam. These are Rongali Bihu, Kongali Bihu, and Bhogali Bihu. Rongali Bihu is also known as Bohag Bihu, which is celebrated in the month of April. It is marked the beginning of Assamese New Year. It is historically significant, the time of harvest, and it is celebrated for 7 days after Sankranti of Baisakh month. Bihu songs and Bihu dancers are associated with this Bihu. Kati Bihu is the second Bihu that is celebrated in Assam. Kati Bihu is celebrated in Assam on the first of the Kati month in Assamese calendar. This Bihu is also related to the agriculture. Kongali Bihu refers to those periods of Assamese people where people have nothing much to eat at this time. This Bihu is celebrated by the lighting lamps, diyas in front of the Tulsi Ma and everywhere in the evening, in order to worship, pray and welcome Goddess Lakshmi to home. Then Bhogale Bihu or Magh Bihu is the harvest festival. This Bihu marks the end of the harvesting season in the month of Magh. A bonfire is lit to ceremonial conclusion and prayers are offered to the god of fire. The festival is marked by the feast and bonfire. During this time, Assamese people make rice cakes, various types of sweets from coconuts, and they have their own and specific names such as Hesa Pitha, Til Pitha, etc. Bihu is most popular folk dance of Assam, which is performed by the boys and girls. During the Bihu festival, the boys and girls are performed Bihu with accompanied by the different type of traditional music instruments like dhol, pepa, gogona, toka, tal, etc. The classical dance form of Assam is Satriya Nitra, which is presents the Satriya culture, the basis of cultural and religious fabric of Assam. It is one of the classical Indian dance tradition and was founded by the great saint Simantra Sankardev in the 15th century. This is an artistic way of presenting the mythological techniques to the people in an enjoyable manner. Bhauna is one of the most important and significant part of Assamese culture, which is also discovered by or invented by Mahaprabhu Srimanta Sankardev in the 15th century. There are a lot more to know about Assamese culture beyond there, which are presented in this video. So thank you for watching the video, and